In this video Tips from Family Law Attorney New Jersey, we will tackle on how do you know if you need a family law attorney and what to do in hiring their services. Do you need an attorney and how do you find one that you will trust? This video will set forth some answers to those and other questions from the viewpoint of a divorce attorney. If your spouse has filed for divorce, you should immediately consult an attorney. Do not trust your spouse if he or she tells you that you do not need an attorney or that his or her attorney will take care of everything. An attorney in a divorce cannot represent both sides. I suggest that you retain an attorney if you have children and custody is an issue. You have a substantial marital estate. And if your spouse has more financial resources than you, you can find an attorney numerous ways. Do not hire an attorney that is a jack of all trades, because they are masters of none. Divorce is a specialized area with complicated and numerous areas and pitfalls for the uninitiated. Would you go to a general practitioner for a shoulder injury? I doubt it, so why would you not find a specialist for your divorce? Do not find an attorney out of the yellow pages. Ask around for referrals or do some internet-based research. I would not hire my mechanic out of the yellow pages, and I'm far less attached to my car than I am to my family and finances. Look for larger law firms because they generally have the cream of the crop, and good management so you can be assured that your case is being cared for. Look for attorneys that may be certified as matrimonial lawyers, although that is merely a test that such attorneys pass and not a guarantee of competency. After finding your attorney, remember that he or she works for you and you are the boss. After all, you tell your dentist whether to care for a cavity, right? If you do not want a root canal, your dentist isn't going to perform one against your wishes. That same professional relationship exists with you and your attorney. The final decision on all actions are yours, although it is normal for an attorney to be able to make the strategic legal decisions. But even then a lawyer can only advise and the decisions are yours to make. If an attorney does not follow your wishes, fire him or her. Please watch out for attorneys that put on a show for you or want to take everything to court. A court hearing is not always required because sometimes a mere call between attorneys can resolve a problem. Court is expensive and the outcome is always based upon judicial discretion. Keep track of your case and be sure that your attorney copies you on everything that relates to your case, even if you don't want another piece of paper. Insist that you get copies of everything, or if your attorney will not copy you, tell him or you will not pay for it. Insist upon itemized billing and not a mere statement of time spent and money owed. Your attorney you should know exactly how charges are being added to your account and when your retainer is being used up. One final note. Find out how much your spouse is paying or paid his or her attorney. Good luck and choose wisely.